What's good? It's your boy Kamal-Amir. So listen, real quick, I want to share with you guys some extremely beneficial advice that I got from one of my favorite mentors, the late great Mr. Jim Rohn. So the advice was, do not start your day until your day is finished, right? Now, if you can accomplish that well, then don't start your month, your week, until your week is finished. If you want to take it a step further, then don't start your month until your month is finished. And if you can do that well, you can go even further and don't start your year until your year is finished. Now, some of y'all might be scratching your head and you're asking yourself, what the heck is this boy talking about? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let me give you a real world analogy. So listen, let's say you go to a vacant lot. It's laid out as flat as bare, right? However, an engineer goes to the site, maybe a developer, architect, they see what we don't see. Maybe they see the Comcast building, right? Or the Liberty building, Liberty 1, Liberty 2. I'm from Philly, so I'm talking about Philly skyscrapers. But think this, they go to the drawing board, they start to draw up sketches, they start to draw up blueprints, right? They start to draw blueprints. Now check this, nothing starts until the blueprint is done. Because if you go to an empty lot, right, you see some men there, they got tools, they got equipment, but they don't got no plan, and you ask them what you building, and they're like, I don't know. That's going to look kind of crazy. Think about that, that's going to look kind of crazy. So anyway, these architects, these engineers, they come together, they draw up sketches and blueprints. Only once the blueprints are finished does the men converge on the site, the iron workers, right? And the erection starts, and the construction starts. Only once the sketches and blueprints are finished does the men converge on the site and start to erect those buildings. Not before. So if you apply that same rule, the same strategy to your life, you get the same results. Because if you go into your day, you don't know it, you don't have a plan, you kind of run around, right? You kind of harebrained, you're all over the place, you're scattered. But if you go into it with a plan, your day is already finished before you started. It means everything is mapped out. You go into your day, you waste no energy. It means all your positive energy is focused on the task at hand, the task that you already got planned out. You can work your way down your list, you can check things off. But check what happens. As you're checking things off, that gets the positive energy going, that gets the momentum going. That starts to release dopamine. Now dig this, you can look this up. Your body loves dopamine. And because your body loves it, it's going to want more. So what's that going to do for you? It's going to compel you to do more because your body wants that dopamine. And once you get into that flow, amazing things start to happen. But it only starts to happen when you plan out your day, or you don't start the day until you finish the day. And I noticed from a personal experience that this works. So this is why I want to share with y'all, right? But that's it. Again, this advice comes from a man, Jim Rohn. Look up the lecture if you want. Check it out. Take action. Don't start your day until your day is finished. It's your boy Kamal-Amir, Philly's finest. Have a great evening. Peace.